Here's how to rerun a program, especially if you have a specific program you programmed earlier. You want to repeat all of the main content, but you want some things to be actually different, such as the time announcements, because we're playing it at a different time. Or we want the up next to be different because after the first airing, one program aired after it, and after the second airing, our up next should really pick something else as what's coming up next. So rotated will... we're going to use rotated to do this. You don't have to use rotated, but because rotated will automatically go to the next playlist, and I really want to repeat this playlist again, I thought this would be a good example. You might remember from a previous video, we did rotated playlists. Remember, it picks from these 3 different playlists and rotates through them each time. So on the script, for our example here, I'm using a time and an interrupt so we can have it sit there in queue and we can examine it. So it's a 2-hour program. We announce with a time announcement at the top, a station ID, fill to about the bottom of the hour, do a time announcement, fill to the top of the hour, do a time announcement, station ID, fill to the bottom of the hour, time announcement, and then fill to the end of the program. So what we're going to do different here is send to a new location. We're actually going to send both to DJ and to a file. So it will be a program file. And to do that, we set that to both. We create our rotated program file, say where it's going to be. And it uses the program name here by default, but you can name it what you want. And let's go ahead and run this and see what it looks like first. We're going to schedule in the 7 p.m. Go take a look at it at DJ, confirm that it is good. We got our time announcement at 7. We've got our station IDs, our fills, time announcements, etc. All looks good. Got up past 9 as we wanted. So that looks fine. I'm going to delete that for now. So what happens is when Scheduler does this, it actually saves to the location you specified here, which should be in the Radiologik folder, Programs folder. And that way it will be available to us with load commands for those script lines that use load commands. And just to review where that is, if we look at the Radiologik folder and look at the programs, we'll see there's our rotated playlist, which was created just a minute ago. So to rerun this program, what we'll do is we'll create a new program, and we'll call this rotated replay. And let's say we want to rerun this at 11 p.m. Let's get 11 p.m. And we really don't need to do anything else here because all we're going to do is a single script line with a load command, which is going to load a program, and from the program menu we pick the rotated. Well, let's see how that works. So we're building the same program, but we're building it for 11 p.m. And when they first come in, look, it says 7, but watch, bang, updates the time to 11 p.m. And that is your rerun of a program.